Hi, welcome back to my channel, Miss Damn Jewelry. I'm Dolores, and today I have a haul. Now, Jessica and I went to a tabletop sale by our house, which is kind of like it's kind of like a cafe, social, community center sort of situation. Really nice place. It's called the Wellies. It's here in our little town. And they've had like craft fairs there before, so they started to do tabletop sales. Well, tabletop sale is pretty much an indoor car boot sale, or a jumble sale, as we like to call it. I'm just moving stuff around. Sorry, I'll show you that in a minute. Now, I had taken my camera to film, and my first thought was like, it's going to be really small, and I'm probably not going to find anything, so I'm not going to film. Well, what happened was the clip on my clip that clips to my backpack came apart. It didn't break, it just came unscrewed. And at that point I was like, you know what, I can't be asked. Just put it back in the car, let's just go. Because it was raining outside. Jessica was like, well, we could put it back on the car. No, girl, no, let's just go. Can't be asked now. So we walk in and I found some stuff. Of course I did. Had I filmed, I would have found nothing. But we get to this first stall, and it's a lot of toys and stuff. And oh, Jessica, I'm sure she'll do a video. You gotta go see her video, because she got one big thing and it was so cool. But you have to go see her video. You have to subscribe to Jessica and go watch it now. Thrifty Shutterbug. I'll put a link in the description of this video. So the first thing I got was something I don't usually buy. Well, I do, but I don't. Okay, I do, but I don't. Is this. So it was £1. I'll take this sticker up. What it is, it's a battery-operated Winnie the Pooh Christmas set. So you've got Tigger and Winnie the Pooh, battery-operated. They're like little tiny blow molds, and you put the lights in the tops of these. And this has never been opened at all. And that's the back. I mean, it still has a little staple. I mean, it's as far as I can tell, it's nope, never been opened. Because you just rip that pack open, like new old stock or old. Is it new old stock or old new stock? New old stock. There you go. And this is something I'll probably put on my eBay store at Christmas time. I'm not going to put it on right away. But child, I just thought Walt Disney, Winnie the Pooh, people love Winnie the Pooh, and it's battery operated, so you can put them anywhere. And you don't have to worry about finding a plug. But I got those for £1. So I just thought they were cute. I mean, no one would not be keeping them. Those will be for sale at Christmas time. So you walk around, they had some beautiful clear glass vanity sets with the tray and the powder dishes, but I have enough of those right now. Not the clear ones. I have some depression glass ones in my Etsy store now. I didn't really need any more. I was like, as pretty as it is, I think I'm going to skip it this time. I don't have to buy everything. Leave it for someone. But they were beautiful. They were £5. So that wasn't too bad. So we're walking along. We get to the stall. And this woman has some amazing stuff. And I'm like, we didn't know what it was. And I'll show you that in a minute. But the first thing I bought from her was this little tiny, and it's SIA. And it's a little perfume bottle with a little glass stopper. Good condition, modernish. I wouldn't say it was particularly old, but I loved it. It's like a frosted pink glass. And it has a sticker on it that says SIA. I don't know if you can see that, but I bought that. I thought perfect for a mystery box, you know. So this was £1. And then I picked this up. And this is Falconware, which was a brand of pottery here in England. And I'll show you the bottom. And it looks like it probably went to a set or something, like maybe this went around something else. Or it could just be this. It's a cute little planner. And I thought, for £1, sure, I'll have it. But it matched these other two things on her table. I'll go ahead and tell you now, because I actually went back and got these. I didn't get these at the time, but I'll show you. These are from the 1930s. Again, it's Falconware, made in England. It's this. It's called a wishing well or a pond. I looked it up. Look at that. Beautiful. It is from the 1930s. And this comes away, and it's a flower frog. So you obviously fill your little well up. And you put this on top and you arrange your flowers. I mean, let me show you the back. the wishing well. That's what it's got right there on the back. So that's the back. And that's where it says the wishing well, falconware, hand painted. Just, I saw this and I like pottery, and I'm not really bothered about what era something's from. I like it all. I'm like, my aesthetic is flea market chic. So is that right? But it's called the wishing well, and look at that. Oh my God. This, and I was even afraid to ask. I was like, because she was telling us like she found one online and was bidding against someone else for this other one, and going on and on, and went for a real high price. I'm thinking, Jesus, how much is this going to cost? £4 for this. Oh yeah, this will be available on my Etsy shop. So I won't be keeping this piece. I do like it. It's very, very pretty. It's colored very well. I'm gonna leave the lid off because you know I'm accident prone. The colors on it are very, very pretty, and it is from the 1930s. The back has crazing on it, but you're not gonna see that. It's gonna be sitting on the ground. I mean, on the ground, on the it's gonna be on the bottom, so you're not gonna see it. I have to rearrange some stuff because, hold please. All right. So the next thing I got from this lady, it matches as well, is this set here. Now, I didn't know what it was. Me and Jessica, we're so thick. We saw it, and it has these holes in it, you see. You see these holes in it? And it, again, it is falconware. It doesn't have a name. It's probably, it matches like the wishing well. It looks like it, so it's falconware. Again, for the 1930s. This only has a mold number on it, but it does sit like, and if you see, this plate matches the bits in here, like almost like a wall. So we were like, why does it have holes in that bowl like that? She said, because it is a fruit bowl. And when people would wash their fruit, they would set it in here to dry out, and the underplate would catch the water. Me and Jessica were like, yeah, that makes total sense. What did we even ask this poor woman? She was like, sickos. But I'd never seen one like it. And again, I'll show you. I'll lift this part up. It's footed. It has 3 feet on it. Good condition. No chips, no cracks. That's the bowl. I mean, look at that. The detail. Where's it at? Look at this little birdhouse here. I mean, how cute is that? And this is the underplate. Again, it matches the wall on the bowl. £4. Again, she's like, oh, I'll do both for £4. I was like, girl, I could almost snatch a woman's hand off. I said, thank you. Bye, wrap them up. Let's go. So I got those. So let me move this out of the way. Hold please, so I can move this out of the way because I don't want to break nothing. So I'll be right back. Right, so we walk away from there with my goods. Well, we walk to this next stall. And I'm looking at the tabletop. I'm looking at the tabletop. And Jessica goes, there's a box down there. It's got this basket in it. And I was like, oh, that's a cute basket. And she's like, oh, you don't want it? And I was like, I mean, yeah, I guess. So you don't want it? She's like, no, you can have it. And so I picked it up. And we looked at it. And I looked at the name. And I kind of looked at her. And she looked at me. And we were like, and it is this basket. It's a Longaberger. Is that how you say it? Longaberger 2003 B basket. How pretty. I liked it simply because it was Americana. Do you know what I mean? Because like here, you know, I live in the UK. There's not a lot of Americana hanging out around here. So when I find it, I'll buy it for myself. But this, and it's in such good condition. Apparently the woman who was selling it, her daughter had lived in the States and brought it back to her. And she's just like, yeah, here you go. So it's like, and I'll show you the bottom. I mean, cute. It's got the little plastic insert with the fabric. The fabric is underneath the plastic insert. Oh, y'all will probably know. I don't know. And that's the bottom. It's got all kinds of signatures and whatnot on there. And, you know. So, this will have to... And I said, okay, well, how much... And we were talking with her. She obviously knew we were American. And she's a real nice lady. And she was, and I said, so how much do you want for your basket? She was like, oh, to you, 4 pounds. Almost ripped her hand off, and oh, crap it is. I will sell it. I will. I do. Maybe I'll use it for 4th of July and then sell it. I mean, here's the thing. I looked at comps, and all the comps are on American eBay. I did not find any on a UK eBay. It was all in American dollars. So, as wonderful as it may be, I don't know how well it will sell here. It might sell absolutely fine. People might be like, oh yes, Longaberger. Huh? Or they may be like, who? Unclear. But I will put it on my Etsy because it's 2003. It's not quite vintage yet. It will be next year. So, on Etsy. So, everything about it is just, it's in such pristine condition. Oh, so I picked that up. Then we decided to look at this one last stall. Very cute. It was a young girl and maybe her older sister, and they were, she had like things on her stall. And I said, well, let me stop and look, because she got some little cute things. I think Jessica picked something up. I don't know if Jessica bought anything from them. But I saw this, and this is like a art glass paperweight. It's pink, but it's a ring holder. So, I mean, not only do you have a paperweight, but you have your ring holder. And it's got a really clear bottom. If I didn't know better, I would say Caithness, maybe Caithness glass. There's no mark on it. Caithness does sometimes sign the bottom, sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes it's a label or a plastic like clear sticker. But look at that. I mean, the bubbles aren't quite so controlled. But again, in Caithness glass, they're not actually very controlled in that situation either. Sometimes they are, and sometimes they're not. So look at that. £1. I wasn't mad about it. There's no scratches. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, I mean, it's just pretty. I mean, you put this in a window. Even if you didn't use it as a ring display, it's just, or a ring holder. But for £1, I was like, yes, please. And then I got, y'all, this little bit of apple. This little bit of apple. That's not particularly old. It's, isn't that cute? It's this little striped apple. I just thought that was a little bit of fun. I got that and this little bottle. Oh, and this is so cute. Let me twist it for you. It's got the little metal, little dabadoo, honey. And it's pretty. It's got, I'll show you up close, so it's got like lots of little gems. It's frosted glass. It's, again, not particularly old, but pretty. Again, something like this. And so these two together were £1.50, so they were like 75p each, which is not, I wasn't upset about it at all. This, see, things like this and this, and something like this, and then something like this will be in mystery boxes. I'll use these type of smalls for mystery box. I do like smalls. Love smalls. And I like it for myself because I got my little chef unit out there. I put my smalls on it. Sometimes I don't ever make it to the mystery box because I keep them. Because I have an area for just mystery box items and then just my stuff that I sell. So that's my haul, y'all. Next time I'll bring a camera with me and not be so, oh, it's going to be small. Like a girl. Girl. Listen to Jessica next time. Get your camera. All right, y'all. Now, who are we going to do for Dolo Digs today? Let me think about it. All right, today for Dolo Digs, it's a content creator who, if y'all don't know, y'all better go find out. Someone I enjoy watching. She's just full of energy. She has really good Instagram posts as well. Oh my God, she just has some really fun stuff. And she makes stuff. She does a lot of things. That is Jodi Renshaw. Guys, go check out her channel. She has live sales. She does after dinner mints, which is like a chat and a sale, which is so fun. And she always has different guests on. Again, it comes out at a time that I can't watch live. So a lot of times I have to watch on replay. So I'd like to watch them on replay. Yeah, I know there's sales, but the chats are fun too. She does, she sells handmade items. She makes items and she does them, and she does handmade sales, which is great. To mix handmade with vintage, I make handmade jewelry. So I appreciate when the two are married together and, you know, you can sell the handmade with the vintage. And it's to me, it's a great combination. So I will have her channel come across here and her videos come across here. And I'll have a link to her channel in the description of this video. If you're not subscribed to Jodi, you should be. You'll thank me later. You will. You'll thank me. You'll send me a message on Instagram and go, thanks, Dolores. Anyway, so go subscribe to Jodi Renshaw. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it's pure entertainment. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my little haul that I didn't take my camera to or film. I know. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear the comments. All right, guys, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.